chickens in the house. Yeah. Popcorn, me noodle, Trixie. The air quality outside is not good. It's a no-go. Because of the fires, we're having not good fires at all. So, to help with the air quality with our chickens, we brought them in the house. I mean, we have a very, very small flock, so it was perfect. This kennel is coming in perfect. I'm glad I bought this thing.
And the cat is just being curious.
This is one way of getting them out of the house. You guys have some mealworms? Oh, okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Start walking.
Come on. Come on. Let's go outside. Coming?
They're coming. Come on.
Come on. I love it. We have chickens walking through the house. Come on. It feeds carrying them one by one. And they weren't coming out of the kennel. Come on. But they'll always follow the mealworms. Let's go.
No, you can't have the dog food.
Come on.
No, do not eat the dog food.
Popcorn, you need to look. Come on. Yeah.
Phew.
Whoa. Did you enjoy your stay? Yeah? All right. All right. I'm glad you enjoyed your stay at the Barn Hotel.